Hello everyone, how are you doing? This is MD Tech here with another quick tutorial. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to use voice typing in Microsoft Edge. So this should be a pretty straightforward process here, guys, and without further ado, let's go ahead and jump right into it. So first thing you have to do is actually enable the setting within Windows. So open up the start menu, type in settings. Best result should say settings right above app. Go ahead and left click on that. Select the privacy tile, so you might have to scroll down and select privacy. On the left side, select speech. And now on the right side underneath online speech recognition, you want to go ahead and turn this into the on position, so toggle it on. Once you're done with that, you can close out of here. Open back up Edge, or you know what, let's actually close out of Edge and reopen it here. And you want to tap the Windows and H key combination on your keyboard at the same time. So again, the Windows and the H key, those two keys. Once you have this here, you just click inside whatever field you want to start verbally giving commands to, and that's pretty much it. So pretty straightforward process here, guys. Do hope I was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.